Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to install Terraform on Windows step by step. If you are preparing for a Terraform certification or just starting with infrastructure as a code, this is the first step you will need to do. So for that, just open any browser and search Terraform for Windows. Then the HashiCorp.com is there. Just go to there, and here you need to select window. Now we have a two option there, like binary. 386 is for window 32 and AMD 64 is for 64-bit window. So how we can check which window we have? So yeah, so we can check in setting, and then we need to go in system, and in system there is a about where we can check which version of window we are having, and it is showing 64-bit. System type is 64-bit operating system, so we can download a 64-bit version here. So once it is downloaded, then we just have to unzip this version, or else okay, in download it gets downloaded, and now we can unzip it. And so back all. Okay, it is downloaded. So just copy this folder and put it anywhere where you want. And like we should not take it in download folder, because uh, we have to put this path in an environment variable. So it is as we can accessible Terraform from anywhere. I'll show you. Just go to C drive and create a folder. Like I created a Terraform already, so I think I downloaded in July. So like that you can create a folder and paste that here. So now we downloaded. So now just we have to set up environment variable. So Terraform is can be accessible from anywhere. A system environment variable. Oh, sorry. I don't have admin access. System environment variable. Just search with environment variable. So here inside a path, and just edit this, and here we need to add a path where we put our Terraform binary file and put it okay, and yeah, so it will show you. You can open any CMD as well, anywhere you can check this, because we already set an environment variable. Then Terraform -v, it is showing here. So we can use a Visual Studio Code as well. Here we can check the same, like Terraform version. It is showing now v1 dot v1.12.2. So that's how we can install Terraform on a window. So actually I'm preparing for Terraform certification, so I'll start uploading a video on Terraform, so you will see, like, yeah. So that's it. Terraform, and that's it for today. So if this was helpful, give a thumbs up and share with your friends who are also learning Terraform. Thanks.